In many laundry factories, garment packaging is not the most talked about process, but it is one of the most physically demanding jobs on the floor. For hanging garments, especially in commercial laundry operations, many factories still use manual garment packaging machines. The operator needs to pull the plastic film down from top to bottom, cover the garment manually, and then press the sealing bar to heat seal the plastic. This action is repeated hundreds, sometimes thousands of times per day. Over time, this creates repetitive bending, arm fatigue, and physical strain. For employees assigned to this task daily, the workload is heavy and monotonous. From a management perspective, this often leads to resistance to the position, frequent rotation of staff, and unstable packaging quality. The semi-automatic packaging machine shown in this video was introduced to solve exactly these issues. Instead of requiring the operator to pull the film manually, the machine automatically lowers the plastic cover over the garment. The heat sealing process is also automated, removing the need for constant pressing. In addition, this model is equipped with a length sensor. The sensor detects the length of the garment and automatically adjusts how much plastic film should be left at the bottom. This significantly improves packaging consistency and standardization. Whether it is a long coat, a cotton jacket, or a shorter garment, the machine automatically controls the film length. This reduces material waste and ensures every piece is packaged in a uniform way. In this particular project, we delivered the machine to the client's laundry facility, connected the power and air supply, and completed the installation on site. The machine operates on a standard single-phase 13-amp power supply, which is commonly available in Singapore. For compressed air, only an 8mm outer diameter hose is required. No floor anchoring is necessary. The unit can simply be placed on the ground, and it can be moved easily if layout adjustments are needed. After installation, we conducted operator training. Within 1 hour, the client's staff were able to operate the machine independently, replace the plastic film rolls, and perform basic troubleshooting. In the video, you may notice that the operators are still becoming familiar with the system. However, this footage was taken within the first hour of training. It demonstrates how quickly the team was able to adapt. The client also tested various garment types during the training session. Single pieces, thicker winter garments, longer clothing items, and multiple garments packaged together. One special requirement from the client was the ability to package several garments in a single plastic cover. In some cases, their customers send multiple items together and prefer them packed as one set. We tested up to 5 hangers at once, provided that the garments are relatively thin. For bulkier combinations, such as suits and trousers, packaging multiple pieces is also possible, but depends on thickness. In Singapore, many laundry operations use plastic hangers. These hangers typically have wider hooks, which makes multi-hanger packaging more challenging. To address this, we customized an additional hook adapter that can be attached to the machine's original hook. This allows multiple plastic hangers to be grouped together and packaged efficiently. From a business owner's perspective, this upgrade is not just about automation. Previously, this client operated several manual packaging machines. By switching to a semi-automatic solution, they significantly reduced repetitive manual actions and improved operational consistency. When repetitive labor is reduced and packaging becomes standardized, management becomes easier, staff retention improves, and overall efficiency increases. Sometimes, small process improvements in packaging can create a meaningful impact across the entire laundry operation.